adding fractions that don't have a common denominator. As you can see here, we need to try and add 1/2 plus 1/3. Our numerator tells us I have one piece out of the total I need to make a whole on each, but one piece for the 1/3 is a very different size for the one piece on the 1/2. This means we need to find a common denominator for both of them so that everything can be broken down into equal sized pieces. Our common denominator is going to come from finding the least common multiple of 2 and 3. Multiples come from multiplying our denominator by another value to get a product. This means multiples of 2 would include 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Multiples of 3 would include 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. The first one they have in common is 6, so 6 is going to be our common denominator. To get from a denominator of 2 to a denominator of 6, I need to multiply 2 times 3. Since I multiplied my denominator by 3, I need to multiply my numerator by 3 as well. 1 times 3 is 3, so we can see that 1/2 is equivalent to 3/6. We can then do the same thing for 1/3. To get from a denominator of 3 to a denominator of 6, I need to multiply by 2. Since I multiplied my denominator by 2, I need to multiply my numerator by 2 as well. So 1/3 becomes equivalent to 2/6. Now that we have our common denominator, we can go ahead and add our numerators together. We know in our solution our denominator will be 6, and then 3 plus 2 gives us a total of 5 for a sum of 5/6. 4 and 8 aren't a common denominator. The first thing we need to do is make equivalent fractions. I need to find the least common multiple. Multiples of 4 include 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Multiples of 8 include 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. That means 8 is going to be our least common multiple. So to get from 4 to 8, I need to multiply by 2. I need to multiply 3 times 2 is give me 6. I can multiply 8 times 1 to give me 8. So I can multiply 1 times 1 to give me 1. So I can add those together. We know our denominator is going to be 8. 6 plus 1 is going to give me 7. 7/8 is our final answer.